The future is in your hands. Vision is in your eyes. Determination is on your mind. The drive to make a mark in every footstep. Welcome to IIT RAM, where opportunities in engineering and infrastructure await you. Legacy of the finest infrastructure since more than 5,000 years has led the state towards peace and prosperity. The legacy, flagged off at Dholavira 500 decades before, has recently created a benchmark at Dholera SIR, and it is still going on. The most advanced infrastructure in the state is due to insight of innovation. Cities of Gujarat are spearheading towards its inclusion in the list of the world's fastest growing cities like New York, Tokyo, Shanghai, Singapore, and many alike.
Advantage of joining IIT RAM is an opportunity to get hands-on training on the state-of-the-art equipments and machineries that are available in the Center of Excellence, a multi-crore facility developed with industrial collaboration. But most important fact that one should note is the availability of excellent staff at IIT RAM.
The ancient tradition of creating the finest urban planning in Gujarat continues in the present era with its flagship projects like Asia's largest solar power park at Charanga, largest integrated planned town at Dholera SIR with humongous business prospects, international cargo airport at Navagam, ferry connectivity between Saurashtra and South Gujarat, advanced urban public transport system like BRTS, Metro Rail, innovative flagship infrastructure projects like Sabarmati Riverfront Development. The horizons of this tradition are expanding to embark futuristic planning, innovation and development in infrastructure. The government of Gujarat has established a unique institute of technical education with a focus to prepare ready-to-serve industry professionals in the field of infrastructural development and management. Institute of Infrastructure, Technology, Research and Management, IIT RAM, offers scopes of engineering education with research and innovation facilities for the students, academicians and professionals.
Infrastructure does not only involve buildings, roads and transport, but it has also electrical aspect of it. Here, we don't only teach technical subjects, but also teach the management aspect of it. It also includes asset management, disaster management and infrastructure management.
The student who gets trained here will look at the problem from various angles. When he builds a building, he will not just look at the civil engineering aspects, but will also look at other aspects such as environmental, water management, electricity management, social aspects and also ethnic aspects.
To name a few programs at IIT RAM in the nearer future are Mechanical Engineering, dual degree programs in civil and dual degree programs in electrical engineering. Some specialized programs like municipal infrastructure, power infrastructure, waste and environment management, building science and technology, architecture, structural design, renewable energy engineering, infrastructure management. Standards are set high at IIT RAM. To maintain academic standards high from its first batch itself, management is very conscious about recruiting faculties. Some of the faculty selection criteria are doctorates, postdoctoral fellows, having wide experience, exposure to global trends and institutions, and an insight for research. As a result, IIT RAM has acclaimed faculties on board like Mr. B.V. Kamal, Mr. R.E. Amritkar, Mr. Kapil Joshi, Mr. S. Ramamohan, Ms. Shanti Prasanna, and other highly qualified and acclaimed faculties with more than 20 years of experience in their field. Some of the reputed IITs are the academic institutional mentors for the selection of faculties, program syllabus, academic support, and laboratory development. Professors of IITs are also mentoring the institution at personal as well as institutional capacities.
In each discipline, 50% of seats are available for admission to students from Gujarat based on ACPC, that is, Admission Committee for Professional Courses.
Infrastructure and facilities at IIT RAM are unique as the institution has fully equipped multimedia classrooms, state-of-the-art seminar hall, rich library with technical and other content like management, inspirational reading, language, communication, advanced computer lab with the latest computers and network connectivity, digital English language lab, chemistry lab, electrical lab, and the most advanced physics lab. Labs at IIT RAM are designed in such a way that the students can experiment with the latest technology available in the industry on campus only. Their level of exposure towards technology can match with the industrial trends.
I am feeling privileged and lucky to be in the very first batch of IIT RAM. I, along with my other friends, are eager to add glory to our institute. So we grow as our institute is growing, and we will design a new world of our dreams and visions. Labs, faculties, and different facilities are just excellent. Awesome experience till date.
Hello, this is Jashree Mehta, pursuing civil engineering at IIT RAM. We don't have faculties, they are our friends. Apart from sharing their knowledge, they share their joy and passion with us.
Myself Akhil and I am from Surat. IIT RAM provides an outstanding initiative in the field of engineering education. In the beginning, I was too anxious about my stay in a new city, but its faculties, hostel, and cafeteria facilities has vanished my anxiety.
When information matures into knowledge, knowledge transforms into plans, plans translate into reality. Then, the present embraces the future. IIT RAM, building infrastructure, building futures. www.iitram.ac.in